Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and with every passing year, it becomes increasingly more important to take good care of your skin.
This is Premium Vitamin C Serum by ELBBUB, and it has been a great addition to my skincare routine. This is made with such high quality ingredients. I just love how easy it is to get the drops in my hand. It feels so nice and smooth, but not too oily. You put it on your clean skin, and then you can add your particular face oil or moisturizer. It is also good if you're wanting to use any gua sha light methods. It's really going to help with your skin to get more firm, youthful looking. I like to make sure I put it on when I get out of the shower because your face needs to be clean before you put it on. And if you're new to adding something like this to your skincare routine, you can just look at the label. Not only does it have the ingredients, but also instructions on how to use it to best benefit your skin.
This is a part of my daily routine, and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.